Yes, sir. They call him Charles.
Charles.
Half trained, half giga spider from hell. Stay
Not
close.
mine too, right?
Charles
Not
isn't
mine
the
too.
only thing to fear around here.
What? It's not Charles, bro. What the hell is over here?
A train shed at the top of the hill.
Damn, bro.
Fast
Wait
as
for
fuck,
me.
boy.
Oh shit, you got stamina, bro. Damn, look at those legs. Damn, bro. Chill.
Why don't you take a peek inside? See what we got to work with.
Oh, I'm liking this already. Chill.
Beauty.
Boom, 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 boom. Damn, I hope I'm not running out of those bullets. That'll be bad for me. What the hell? Did you just teleport over here?
You ready to take
Let's
this
go for
thing
it.
for
Yes,
a
sir.
spin?
Let's go. Yes, sir. Whoa, whoa.
Baby!
Yes, sir.
We're
Are we shooting
coming
some?
for you, Charles!
Yes, sir. I like your
You
spirit,
hear
bro.
that? It's him! It's him!
Alright.
Get to the
Shoot his
gun.
ass, bro.
Back him up!
Shoot his ass. Oh, shit. Going down, Charles. Charles, you ain't coming over here, bro. Oh, shit. Bro, recharge this shit, bro. No. My boy. He's gone, bro. He dead. He dead, bro. No. We gotta go back for him. Bro, we gotta go back. We gotta go back for him. Please go back. We gotta go back. No, no, stop the train. No, fuck. Let's just go over here. Hope I don't get eaten. Not too bad. Let's paint our, yeah. Let's go with purple right now. That's what I like. Bro, what the hell? What the hell was that? Bro, what the?
Oh, hell no!
Oh, shit! Alright, chill, chill. Shoot his ass, bro. Oh my god. Oh, shit. Damn, bro. Oh, shit, Charles, chill. Chill, my boy. Chill. Chill, bro. Oh, shit, bro. Chill, bro. Damn, chill, bro. Damn. What the hell was that? Damn. Let me check. Damn, bro. My train held 0. Shit. That's so bad. God damn, bro. You saw that, bro? I almost got killed, bro. I almost got killed.
I don't give a fuck.
I'm sure Eugene told you all about me, so I need not introduce
No, bro.
myself.
Who are you, bro? Who are you? Come on now. Give me the details.
And in case you haven't heard already, Warren, the mine boss, is keeping 3 monster eggs locked away. And use them to bait Charles so we can destroy him.
I'm down with that. Bro, let's steal his eggs, bro. It's some Jurassic Park stuff. I got you, bro. I got you. It's kind of weird, bro. But I got you. Alright. Let's see what we got over here now. Open the door now. Oh, yeah. Let's get them eggs real quick. Let's get them eggs.
Huh?
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Enemies, bro. What the hell? We got enemies now? What the hell?
Shouldn't be here.
Oh shit! What the hell, bro? Oh god, my bad, bro. Damn, bro. Chill, bro. I'm leaving, bro. God damn,
I'm
bro.
going to kill
have to
you.
back me. Damn, you still chasing me. I'm sorry, bro. I'll leave.
I can hear you screaming out here.
I'm sorry, bro. Get away from me. I'm sorry. Bro, I'm getting in there, bro. Screw this. You can't chase me this far, bro. I'm too fast for you.
Stop right there!
No way. Bro, screw all this. I'm getting the mags. Yes, sir. Where the mags at, though? Oh, come on now. Good girl. Oh, shit. Damn, bro. Chill. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to get the ass.
Bruh.
There's someone. Who's that?
Oh, shit. Whoa, 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 whoa. Please don't kill me. Oh, shit. Bro, chill. Oh, shit. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Damn, don't shoot me. Don't shoot me, bro. Please. I'm just trying to live, bro. I'm just trying to live. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Alright, baby. Oh, chill, bro. Chill.
Beat it!
Alright, I'm sorry, bro. Stop chasing me, bro. Please. I'm sorry, bro.
never came here.
Oh shit, I think I did it, bro. I'm trying to find my train now.
Shouldn't be here!
I know, please. Leave me alone. Oh shit, I'm sorry, bro. I'll leave.
No one can hear you screaming out here!
Oh shit, go. Go! Die, bro. Ah. He done goofed now.